Let's be honest, billionaires aside, it's been a rough few months financially for the average Joe. And with less money burning holes in pockets, cheaper stock options could be a good move for some investors. But be warned, stocks with lower share prices are often subject to volatility, especially in unstable market conditions. But for the bold and the brave, these so-called penny stocks could present a good investment opportunity.
I don't know why I'm such a good guy, but all these feelings inside been taking me for a ride. I need somewhere to hide. I've been talking to God. I need someone to guide or what?
Speaking of the pandemic, medical technology company and first on our list, Opco Health, ticker OPK, has seen some good gains as a result of their PCR testing technology for COVID-19. On top of this, the company recently announced the opening of 8 rapid testing locations as part of the NY Forward's rapid testing program, which aims to increase access to rapid tests for the public. COVID aside, Opco is also home to other successful products, including a blood test for prostate cancer, as well as a treatment for chemotherapy-induced nausea. The latest earning report had some investors a little concerned, after seeing slowing drug sales and increasing operating expenses. But this could be the perfect time to buy in, as their long-term estimates are still looking strong. Ding dong! Someone order food! Truth is, during the pandemic, every man and his dog have sacked off the cooking in exchange for a hassle-free feast. And our next company is one of the many that have reaped the rewards of this surge. Waiter Holdings, ticker WTRH, is a flat-fee food delivery company that focuses on local businesses in more rural areas of the US. Their recent partnership with NextBite expands their model into delivering food from ghost kitchens, which has proved a very popular option during the pandemic. Once they begin to expand outside of the southeastern US, their current market cap of $366.29 million could be set to rise, and their stock price along with it. So now could be a great time to put an order in. If you want to trade the stocks featured in this video, or any other stocks online with zero commission and no deposit minimums, then Webull is the platform for you. They offer a number of trading options, account types, and in-depth stock analysis tools to help you become a better investor. Plus, you get free shares of stocks like Apple or Tesla just for joining. Check out the link in the description for more details, and don't forget to claim your free stocks when you sign up. PTSD is becoming an increasingly prevalent disorder in modern society, and Aptinyx Inc., ticker APTX, appear to be making strides towards an effective treatment. Flashback to October 2020, the company announced their 153-patient study was yielding some promising results, and alongside a recent fast-track designation from the FDA, this could be the recipe for a rising stock price in the coming years. Next, we're jumping into the world of traditional tech, and with that we have a digital media company that focuses on the acquisition, distribution, and monetization of live music, internet radio, and podcast, among many other things. LiveXLive, ticker LIVX, has been picked by several organizations as a high-momentum stock, and with their 44.34% increase over the last year, it's easy to see why. LiveXLive had a good 2020 thanks to its focus on streaming music. Given that live in-person music has been, well, let's just say non-existent, their focus on streaming live music has put them in a unique niche, and their share price is expected to continue to rise as more people look for ways to experience live music via streaming services. Meanwhile, on the other side of the globe, there are some very affordable stocks that have a lot of potential moving into the future. First up is Uxin Ltd, ticker UXIN. Uxin is a digital used car dealership that has been making big waves in China, and for good reason. The pandemic has shaped consumer behaviour away from buying in person, and the auto market is no exception. Although they are currently not profitable, shifting their business model from upselling third-party goods to stacking up their own inventory could be a great manoeuvre for future profitability, and investors should keep a close eye on this growing company. Our final stock from the continent is a biotech company by the name of Synlogic, ticker SYBX. This company has won the hearts and minds of many hedge fund managers, featured in several high-profile portfolios throughout 2020, as well as consistently ranking in the top 30 most popular stocks of the year. In early December, the company announced its entry into Phase 1 clinical trials for its SYNB8802, a new drug meant to treat cases of enteric hyperoxaluria, an acquired metabolic disorder. This announcement saw a significant jump in share prices from sub $2 to over $2 in a single day, Another thing to acknowledge is the appointment of biotech giant Michael Hefferman to the board of directors. All of these factors in conjunction could make Synlogic a great buy right now. And the final stock on our list is Global Self Storage Inc., ticker SELF. This company is a real estate investment trust that offers commercial and residential storage options and offers a very attractive dividend at 26 cents per share, an exceptionally good return for a stock under $5. Despite the recent economic turmoil, Self has proved themselves to be a stable bet and could perhaps see more prosperity as a result of housing evictions and an increase in the need for storage solutions. Only time will tell, but this could be a great place to store your money for the future. As the world emerges from the dark cloud of the pandemic, the stock market could be on track to see a big bounce back in the coming months. And even the smallest of fish in the investment pond could feel the rays on their face once again. Thanks for watching and happy investing.